In this video, I will show how to write this left right arrow in Microsoft Excel. So very simple and easy way. Just click on insert, then equation. And once you click on equation, so select here basic math. And here you have to select this left right arrow. And here in this equation, you will find almost all type of arrow, like left arrow, up arrow, right or down arrow. And this one. And also, guys, in this equation, once you click on this drop down and here select arrow, so almost you will find all type of arrow. You can just select to insert, like double, select it and insert. And another method, insert and shape. So in shape you will find some type of arrows. Select it and draw. So thanks for watching.